going on YouTube? My name is Chris and welcome to my channel. And here in this channel I will teach you guys step-by-step tutorials on how to build flight test planes. Now it doesn't just have to be flight test planes, you guys can request anything. I personally like the flight test planes simply because they're easy to build, they're cheap, and they're easily accessible. You understand what I'm saying? So everybody can get their hands on them. I will also be teaching you guys step-by-step tutorials on how to fly, how to build, how to install lights, how to whatever you guys need. I actually have one of my favorite planes right here, and I will actually teach you guys step-by-step on how to make your own custom lights for each and every plane removable. So this is actually one of my favorite ones. I built this a while ago. It's actually lasted me a while. I was pretty surprised it lasted me a while. These are my navigational lights. I actually made these myself out of like old compartments from old stuff that I had, and it actually came out pretty decent. I like how I did the inside glows as well. This is pretty good. So yeah, those are all my favorites, and actually these are my top. The P51 Mustang from Flight Test. It's actually my favorite plane overall. It flies so smooth. I mean, can't really complain. This is actually modified in a lot of things that they didn't do. I will actually do another plane like this, and I will teach you guys how to do it and show you guys how durable it is. And that is gonna wrap it up for today's videos, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video where we'll be building the vegan.